welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. This is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. This is the reveal of my finished 1937 Chevy from AMT, and I'm going to bring it down closer and I'll explain some things about it. All right, here we go. Okay, this is a AMT 37 Chevrolet Coupe 1/25th scale. It's kit number 899/12. This was produced 4/2 of 2015. The color I used on this was MCW 6900 Chevy Hugger Orange lacquer. Also used MCW 1202 semi-gloss black lacquer. Also used MCW 1017E, that's clear gloss enamel, and then MCW 1017EH, which is clear enamel hardener. The tachometer that's on the dash there and wired is an MCV 3D printed. I also used MCV quick release seat belt and MCV Sparco Bride Racing seat. The engine is a Texas 3D Customs Hilborn injected 409 Chevy big block. The transmission is a Turbo 400. I added a tube rear bumper to it. Also had to fabricate a transmission mount to make the engine and transmission fit into this chassis. The build was it was a fun build. I really enjoyed it. The only problem I had was fitting the resin engine and trans in it. The paint went great. I did not sand and polish it. What you see is how it came out. I did use some of the decals from the kit. Besides that, the rest of it's pretty stock. And let me give you a close-up of the underneath. Let me remove this turntable. Here's the underneath of the vehicle. It's pretty well stocked, except for the engine and trans and headers. I used the stock. Here's the transmission mount that I fabricated. This was where the transmission mount came across from the factory or from the kit. I cut it out and then added these into it. Wheels and tires are stock. They came with the kit. And I think that's about it. I don't know if you can see the tachometer inside the dash. It came out really cool and wired. Engine, the only wiring done on the engine is the spark plugs, the distributor, and the coil. Came out pretty good. I used a stock front bumper. Stock, that's the custom grille that came with the kit. And there it is. At the end of this, I will have some still shots. And I'll be moving on to my next build, which is the group build, which you see back in the background, that Chevy Nova. And that's it for now. And hope everybody enjoyed it. If you can, please like and subscribe. I'm really trying to build my channel. And I did use the Master Builder to keep all my notes. It's a good thing, worth getting. Like I said, this will be my next build. I don't want to drop it. It may fall apart. But it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be painted like Grumpy's Nova. Here's the decal sheet that I got. And that should be done within the next couple of weeks. Right now I have family coming in to visit, so I'm going to be down for at least a week. And with that, I hope everybody's well. And there will be an update maybe within 4 days. I got some other things to show you that I purchased. And with that, have a great night. Have a great weekend. Happy Easter. Hope everybody's well. Goodbye.